Sauna, being the ERP integrated e-commerce solution, uses the pricing logic of Microsoft Dynamics AX. This means that all prices are managed and calculated real-time in AX. This is the Sauna demo store. In this video, I will briefly explain you the pricing logic of Microsoft Dynamics AX and how prices are presented in the Sauna web store. Here you can see some products and their prices. You can see that some products have one price, while other products have several prices and even a discount. You can see the same on the product details page. Customers can also see prices either including or excluding tax, depending on the customer's setup in Microsoft Dynamics AX. Customers can even see prices and discounts per unit of measure and product variant. Prices are automatically adjusted when customers select another unit of measure or product variant. If there are volume discounts, they will be also shown on the product details page. Volume discounts are based on product quantity. Typically, it is used to give better pricing to customers who purchase larger quantities of products. All this information is coming from Microsoft Dynamics AX and nicely presented in the web store. When a customer adds a product or several products to the shopping cart, all prices, discounts and taxes will be calculated by Microsoft Dynamics AX real-time and shown to the customer. Let's open the product list page one more time. So, why for some products there is only one price, while for other products there can be two prices and a discount? That is because in Microsoft Dynamics AX you can set up a base sales price, and also using trade agreements you can set up a sales price for a product and a sales line discount. Let's open some product in Microsoft Dynamics AX. On the Sell Fast tab of the Released Product Details form, you can enter the base sales price of the product. Using trade agreements, you can also set up different sales prices for the product for different customers, product variants, units of measure and quantity. If there is a sales price for the product, it will be used in all sales transactions, but not the base sales price set on the Released Product Details form. You can also use trade agreements to set up different sales line discounts for the product for different customers, product variants, units of measure and quantity. A sales line discount is calculated either for a product sales price, if it is set, or for the product base sales price, if sales price is not available. In the fields From and To, you can enter the minimum and maximum quantity of the product. Sales line discounts or sales prices based on product quantity can be used to set up volume discounts. You can enter the minimum and maximum quantity of the product that the customer should purchase in order to gain the agreed discount. For example, buy 5 pieces of the product and get 10% discount. Buy 10 pieces of the product and get 20% discount. So, what is the pricing logic of Microsoft Dynamics AX? Let's summarize. First, the system checks if there is a trade agreement with a sales line discount and applies it to the sales price if it exists, or to the base sales price if there is no sales price. If there is no trade agreement with a sales line discount, the system will search for a trade agreement with a sales price. If there is no trade agreement with a sales price that matches the criteria, the base sales price will be used for a product. Sauna does not have any influence on how prices are calculated. The default Microsoft Dynamics AX logic is used. In Sauna, you can only control which prices and discounts you want to show to your customers in the web store. There are different settings, both in Microsoft Dynamics AX and in Sauna Admin, which you can use to control presentation of prices and discounts in the Sauna web store. At first, in the main menu of Microsoft Dynamics AX, I will click Webshop and open my webshop. In the webshop settings, you can see the field Default Price. Here you can choose which price should be used as the default product price, either the base price, that is the base sales price set on the Released Product Details form, or the unit price, which is the sales price of the product set in the trade agreements. It depends on your pricing setup in Microsoft Dynamics AX. And now let's check price settings in Sauna Admin. I will go to Setup, Products, Price. Using the field Price Presentation, you can choose which prices should be shown on the product pages in the Sauna web store. You can show only the sales price set in the trade agreements or both. base price, which is a base sales price of a product in a ads, and the sales price. Moreover, together with the product price, you can even show a discount percentage or a discount amount. Let's take a look at this product on the Sauna demo store, for example. Here you can see two prices. The one that is straight through is the base sales price of the product, and in the webshop settings in ads, the base price is set as the default price of all products. This price is the sales price of the product set in the trade agreements. You can also see the discount percentage. It shows the difference between the base price and the sales price. Here you can also see volume discounts, which are set in Microsoft Dynamics AX for the product using sales line discounts in the trade agreements based on the product quantity. So, which prices to show in your web store, it's up to you. It depends on whether you are using base sales prices or sales prices in the trade agreements or both, and maybe sales line discounts also. Let's also check a few other price settings in Sauna Admin. Using the option Volume Prices, you can show and hide volume discounts on the product details pages in the web store. Even if you hide volume discounts from your customers, they will be still calculated in the shopping cart based on the product quantity, as this option is only for volume discount presentation. You can also show and hide all prices per customer type. For example, if you don't want to show product prices for B2C customers in your web store, but only to B2B and sales agents, you can simply disable this option. When your web store is in the maintenance mode, meaning that there is no connection between Sauna and Microsoft Dynamics AX, you can also either show or hide product prices in the Sauna web store. If you enable this option, customers will see only the latest indexed prices in the web store when it runs in the maintenance mode. So, as you can see, Sauna is very flexible when it comes to presentation of prices and discounts in the web store. You are free to show those prices and discounts that you want. The combination of price settings in Sauna Admin and in Microsoft Dynamics AX defines how prices and discounts will be shown in your web store. In this video, I briefly explained the pricing logic of Microsoft Dynamics AX and price settings that are used for presentation of prices in the Sauna web store. On the Sauna help site, you can read the detailed information about prices setup and description of all possible scenarios.